Hello, how are you doing? Good morning. It's actually almost good afternoon, but what I have for you, I'm going to take a break from my coffee break and I'm going to come to some serious business of showing you some fabrics. All of these beautiful Katan silks, number one. Number two, all as a part of the 20% off. And number three, if you haven't had the time to watch the live, just see this video and grab as much silk as you can. So let's get started. Now I'm going to be showing you this beautiful brand new fabric. I'll tell you the weaves very quickly. This is a complete cut work weave. Look at how lovely the flowers look. It's in Katan silk. So and it's a lovely red. I don't think we've done enough red, so I think it's a beautiful one. Now this is also a red, one last cut available. Silk mein yahi ho raha, I think that the cuts are getting over, so that's the main important thing, that the cuts are getting over. You won't get as much length as you probably want unless you go for it now this one is a beautiful new launch, in fact, in Meena. Look at how gorgeous it is. And another way I want to kind of show you this is, wear it with this. Wow, it's just beautiful. Okay, now I'm trying to find the tag of this one. This both 20% off. I will tell you the price. Just bring a screenshot very quickly. Don't miss your chance to get this. Now look at that. That's the last cut of this fabric. Another last cut, same design, this beautiful yellow. Okay, so yeah, both last cuts. Go for it now. Okay, this is another color. So the earlier one was a pink with a red, no, with a pink on a pink. Okay, this is red with pink. Look at the detailings right there, so pretty. I love the whole weave. It's going to look amazing as a same on same. In fact, मैं तो बोलूँगी आपको same on same ही करना चाहिए. You can add an element if you want of another pink in contrast. ये भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, now let's keep this aside. This is the most wonderful blue. Okay, so, and this Katan. Acha, okay, this is a 10% piece. Okay, this Karwa Katan silk is a 10% piece. All the other Jal ones, yes, they're all 20. This is a 10%. So that's something that you have to remember. Straight kurtas with plain silk pants. So smart, guys. So smart it looks. Okay, now what a wonderful fabric. अच्छा, कल का of course आपने hit कर ही दिया है दुपट्टा and look, but कुछ अभी भी और है. अगर आपको वो 26,800 लेस 20% का जो दुपट्टा है वो इनके साथ पहनना है हॉट पिंक ऑरेंज में, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा, बहुत. Okay, so you can still get it. It's already hit thanks to you guys. You guys are amazing. Now for example, this is a 12,800 per meter fabric. Right now 10,240 per meter, right? A 20% discount. A beautiful maroon. So this is a maroon. Lot of questions on maroons and red. So I'm just answering all of that. I love this color. Now let's make it a little more interesting. Okay, just see this. I mean, not necessarily you'll wear it together, but I just love placing them. They look so rich, each element of it. Look at the gold, the silver. This also has a gold silver. So आप चाहें तो of course you can wear it together, but alternatively I think they're just stunning fabrics in the same palette. Okay, this design has been a huge hit. I think this is like one of the reds which we have thoda heavy. So that's the good thing, that you can still take it. Now quickly, this color, again a last cut. This is a 10% off one. Okay guys, remember that. Now मैं इसमें साथ में रख देती हूँ. Striking, I think ये तो एकदम ही 2.5 मीटर भी नहीं है. I don't know, you have to check. Okay, but probably it will be. This is at lovely, classy pink. So very beautiful. Okay, now this, both last cuts. You know why I have this? Because everybody wanted like 5 meters, 6 meters. I only have, I'll tell you how much exactly. I only have 4.4 meters, which is why it's there. So the idea is that you see it, you go for it, because फिर वो meters नहीं मिलते हैं. That's the main thing. Now that's a very nice one, all on 10%. Look at that. This is a really nice color. It's a shade of, both shades of purple, but both very different to each other. This red, incredible with the jacquard. Look at that, really up and close. and I'm going to put this color because somehow मुझे ये color बहुत अच्छा लगता है with red. You know, it looks really good. हमेशा, you know, you can just see it's so calming. I think it just suits out the entire colors. Now that's a wonderful new part or new launch of this sale. Neem annual sale is going on, guys. Did you catch up the suit video from yesterday? It was absolutely incredible. Many pieces still available, so such a good way to catch quickly on the suits that you want to go for. The tangerine look video, of course, now deleted, but we are making up for all of the silks that you can get right here. अच्छा, मुझे इसके साथ एक चीज़ दिखानी थी, and I'm going to bring it back. Look at this. What do you think of it? Okay, this has a kurta, this has a really nice skirt or घेरा of a, you know, पूरा थोड़ा लहंगा टाइप, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Or even very flary pants. The first look that we launched, that would look amazing. Okay, a lovely brown. Okay, and I'm going to end this video with this last fabulous fabric. Okay, that right now I have how many meters? About 10 meters, 10.4 in fact, and it is 6240 per meter. Look at the green, the detailing, incredible. Go for it now. Don't waste even a minute.